Everybody, this is John with Colorworks Landscape Design. Thank you for tuning in. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I wanted to shoot a quick video this morning on pouring large driveways. So as you can see, we have a little bit of expansion foam here on the bottom, and that helps concrete flex. You know, concrete flexes, it expands and shrinks when it dries. So these are things that you have to do. Another thing you can see we have here is rebars 2 foot on center, very important, and that just kind of ensures the concrete holds together, kind of binds it together, kind of like a tennis racket. It's not quite like post tension cable, it's not even close to be honest, but it definitely helps. Here, these forms that you see all throughout this beautiful driveway we are pouring today are going to be paver accents. They wanted to put a Belgard 6x9 Catalina paver all throughout this and all through there and there and there and across the driveway. So it kind of breaks it up and makes it a little bit more interesting. A lot of times when pouring driveways, the standard is 4 inches. But you can see we went deeper. We went 6 inches. That is important, especially when you have heavy vehicles driving on. Over here, we have our finishers. Very, very, very important to make sure you have a good amount of labor to install this concrete, because if you are short-handed, you can be potentially in a financial nightmare, because once concrete gets here, that's it. It's going in no matter what, rain or shine. I poured concrete in the pouring rain, and there's nothing you can do about it. You just got to go, and you got to hope that things turn out well. In this case, we are well prepared. We have a great pumper. We have a reputable company, Turbo Concrete. And we have a great foreman here, Mr. Juan Carlos. How you doing, Juan? Good. He's the lead guy out here. He's going to be inspecting, making sure everybody does their job right. Over there, we have Mr. Benjamin, who we like to call the Oso. He's the brains, very smart guy. Also helped pulling the hose. So in this particular pour, we're probably going to get about 4.5 trucks. That's approximately 10, 20, 40, I don't know, 46 yards or so. This is a lot of concrete, so this is a big day. Want to make sure everything goes smooth. And on this particular concrete driveway, we're going to be doing a light brush finish. Whenever doing these driveways, you can either do a top cast finish, which is a very light aggregate, and they come in different levels, like top cast number 3, for example, or top cast number 5, a little bit more gritty. This one, we're doing a broom finish just because it's such a large amount, and we have to stay within the landscape budget, so that's what we're working with. Thank you for tuning in, and yeah, just stick around. We're gonna give you some more videos on tips and tricks on how to prepare for certain things. If you're a homeowner and wanting to get work done, please get a hold of us. Colorworks Landscape Design here in Fullerton, California. Have a great day, and we will see you on the next one.